You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those three forms of the verb to ride. So the present is ride, ride, present simple. This is an irregular verb, to ride. The past simple is rode. The second word here, R-O-D-E, is the spelling rode, as in I rode a horse yesterday, as an example of sentence, rode. The past participle is ridden, so careful here, it's not ridden, ridden, a short E sound, ridden. Ride, rode, ridden. Ride, rode, ridden. Make sure you remember. To ride, I ride a bike. Yesterday I rode a horse. I have ridden. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.